Hello, hope everyone's doing well. I'm back today after a couple of days of break. Today I'll be talking about an audio detection system in my level. The player needs to collect 3 shrubs, they're hidden in a few places, and the actor or the player needs to know where these objects are hidden. So every time the player is nearby these objects, there needs to be a sound playing, and when the player gets closer and closer to these objects, the sound gets louder and faster. So let's dive right into our blueprint. You can see here that the shrub has 2 spheres, the outer one and the inner one. The inner one here is being used to detect whether object has been picked up by the player. So when the player presses E, the object gets destroyed and is picked up, and the God shrub variable increments by 1. The outer sphere is being used for detection. When the player overlaps with this outer sphere, a function is triggered by timer, and this shrub trigger will come in the third part of our blueprint. In this part of our blueprint, what we're doing is we're getting 2 sorts of values here. First value is controlling the timer of this function, and these values are normalized between 0.05 to 1. The second values here are being used to create the loudness of the sound that is being played. So you can see here I'm using a detect curve. If I open this curve, you can see that the volume rises drastically when it reaches about 0.8 on x-axis. So basically, if the player is really close to the object, the sound is gonna get louder. And here I'm using the same value for 2 different purposes. The reason why I'm using this 1200 here is because if you go in my outer sphere, you can see that the sphere radius is 1200. So this value needs to be anything that's related to your sphere, how big your sphere is. That's it for today. Next time, hopefully, I'll be able to post a walkthrough video of this detection system. So I'll catch you soon. Bye bye.